You can't just dodge a lawsuit forever. I'm Omar Reed, and I filed and served hundreds of personal injury lawsuits. After you file an injury lawsuit in California, you can't just start the trial right away. First, you have to officially serve the lawsuit to the person you are suing. That basically means giving them a copy of the paperwork so that they know that there's a lawsuit on file. A lot of people think if I just hide in my house and never open the door that I can't be sued, and that's a myth. Here are the 3 ways the law allows us to serve a lawsuit in California. Number 1 is the handoff or personal service. This is the classic way you see in movies. A person who is an adult walks up to a defendant and hands the paperwork right to them. The person suing can't do it themselves. They have to hire a helper called a process server, ask the police to do it, or another adult. Number 2 is substitute service, which is like a backup plan. What if the person won't come to the door? If a server tries to hand deliver the papers at least 3 times and fails, they can switch to plan B. On the 3rd try, they can just leave the papers with the responsible adult who lives at the house. And then once they drop it off and mail a second copy to that address, the law says you've been served. And then number 3, service by publication or service via newspaper. If someone is totally ghosting us or hiding or we just can't find them, we ask a judge for permission to serve it by a newspaper. The judge will let us publish the lawsuit in a local newspaper once a week for a month. And then even if the defendant didn't read the newspaper, the law counts it as official service. So the big takeaway is just because you didn't physically touch the papers doesn't mean you're safe from a lawsuit. You cannot dodge a lawsuit forever.